Hello and welcome. Today, we're exploring the Tuscarora Gold Bathroom Light, a stunning blend of modernity and luxury with its brushed gold lamp body and clear glass lampshades that add a chic element to any space. This vanity light fixture not only maximizes light output for a bright ambiance but is also crafted from high-quality metal with an electroplating process, ensuring elegance and durability without rust or fading. Installation is a breeze with all necessary mounting units included, and it supports any E26 base bulbs up to 60 watts, offering full dimmability when paired with compatible bulbs and dimmer switches. Measuring 19 inches in length and 6.7 inches in height, this versatile fixture fits seamlessly into any decor style, from modern to farmhouse, making it an ideal choice for bathrooms, dressing tables, dining rooms, and more. Plus, you can customize the look by mounting the globes upwards or downwards to suit your preference. And remember, our commitment to quality extends beyond the product itself, as we offer dedicated after-sales support to ensure your complete satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, our team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.